Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday, April 23rd, I believe. Anyways, I'm in North Central PA for a week full of trout fishing and metal detecting. It's supposed to be a nice week. It's beautiful out right now, as you can tell. Beautiful country. This is definitely my favorite week of the year. But anyways, right now I'm headed up to a old farm that was on a old 1850s map. I've been up there before. We found some Indians, and I found a large cent and some mercury dimes. But I'm gonna head up there. It's a big field. There's a secondary field that's not as well manicured, but I'm gonna go up there and see if there's anything up there. We've never been through that part of the field, so if I find anything, I'll get back to you. And probably gonna go trout fishing in the same area a little later, so maybe I'll tape some of that as well. So this is where the old farm was. Right over there were some structures. There's some structures down over there, and where I'm gonna detect is way back over there. There's some piles of rocks, and looks like there was some structures back there. I'll check this out during deer season. So, I'm gonna give it a shot, see what I find. First trout of 2017. It's a beauty. Now this, my friends, is the biggest Pennsylvania brown trout I have ever caught. Oh my God. Jeez, oh man, it must be, it's got to be 18 inches. Huge. Beautiful fish. Yeah, one of the prettier fish. He's all covered in leaves, but a brook trout. So today I'm heading to a spot where I've hunted many times before, and it's one of those spots where, you know, every time I go I find a good relic or a coin or something. That's what keeps me going back here. Normally I would cross the river, but as you can see or not see, it's pretty high, so I had to walk the train tracks in. I got about a 1.5 mile walk, but that's okay. There's nothing else to do. So hopefully this hunt turns out better than my last two hunts from my other two places where I found pretty much nothing. So this spot, there was an old house there at one time. Found some Civil War tokens, buttons, Indian heads, 2-cent pieces. Found an old 1800s gold ring. Had a crown back mark on it. You can see that in my previous video from a couple years ago. And other neat relics. So heading back there again, hopefully to find a silver coin. We found probably 15 or 20 copper coins, but no silver there. So there should be a 1 or 2 there. And hopefully I find them today and you get to see them. So if I find something good, I'll check back in. Oh! Look at that. That looks like a nice button there. Better yet, a large cent. Nice. Or is it a button? Can't tell. There's a design on it. It looks like there was a shank there. Clean it up a bit. I don't know. I see stars. It definitely says 1 cent on the back. But on this side, there's like a little dimple, so maybe it was made into a button. I don't know. Cool find. Clean it up later. Didn't tape this. Not sure what it is. Looks like a old water valve or something. I don't know. Definitely a valve for something. But it looks like I got a button. Don't know if you can see it. Right there in the side of the hole. It's actually some sort of rivet. Pretty neat. I found these here before, not sure what they're used for, but cool nonetheless. Yeah, I didn't tape this one either because I knew it was a rusty something or another, but it's a old pocket knife. What do we got? Penny. I think. Let me tell you something, I'm having a pretty good day. This button I just found was, I don't know, 8 inches down. I use the XP Deus. A lot of people say it doesn't have depth. Look at this tiny little button I found that deep. It barely came in, don't get me wrong, but it came in. Shank intact, little tiny thing. Back mark on the back, I'll have to clean that up later. Very cool. Again, this is the spot that just keeps giving. Gonna have to come back here again someday. Got to get in early because this is a field, just to show you. And right now it's detectable, but all this grass eventually grows up. And it's almost impossible even to walk through here. So I'm gonna put a good amount of time in here today, maybe even all day. I think I see a large scent. See what we got. Oh yeah. Man, it's muddy here. But I think that's why everything's coming in so well. Not in horrible shape. We'll be able to get a date off of that one. 1 cent there. And this one looks like it's hold maybe. Kind of like the other one. The other one looked like it was a button. This one is hold. Look at that. Not sure why they did that. I think it was to not lose their money, and obviously this one fell off the piece of string and it was lost. Almost didn't dig this. Glad I did. Cool. Clean it up later and see if we can get a date. So I took a little break, and both of these were actually holed. I thought one was a button. But one's holed in the center, and one is holed in the top. They're pretty cooked, so probably not going to be able to get dates off them, but I figured I'd show you now. 2 holed large scents. Well, this is a first. Pair of glasses. Not old because they have the little plastic nose things in there. But probably dropped by a hunter. So I didn't tape this one because it gave a odd signal. Thought it was shotgun brass. Actually, I don't know if you can see it there, but this is what came out. Looks like a coin on that side. It looks like a couple of coins sandwiched in there, so let's see. Whatever it is, it's solid. What is that? I have no idea. It might look like a coin. I thought it was a couple of coins. There's some writing on it as well. I swear I see 1887 on there. It looks like an Indian head. What in the heck is this? It's definitely a coin on the front. There's no doubt in my mind. I don't know. It's like it was used for a rivet or something. Because it seems like there's leather in there or some sort of rubber. Whatever the back is. That's what I think it was, a quick fix. Crazy what you'll find out here. Clean it up and let you know later for sure. Okay, so I'm back home from PA. Just a quick wrap up. I found all this stuff within 3 days. My battery died, so I didn't get everything on tape. But just real quick, here's some complete lantern parts. A couple of nice ones. There's actually a piece with a wick still in it. Old pocket knife. Got this thimble. Some spoon parts. I think that's a comb. Back of a pocket watch, I believe. A couple of dog tags I found in a field. A little gas valve or something. I'm not quite sure. I think this is part of a broken bell. And over here we got the old buckles and suspender clips. And over here, some modern copper jacketed bullets. And then the lead bullets, which are a little older, no jacket. Some pistol round balls. That's pretty big. Not sure exactly what that is, but it was big. And we got some rivets here, some other odds and ends. And the 4 good finds were the 2 hold large scents. Not sure if you can see that or not. They were pretty toasted. I tried cleaning them. A little button. And probably my favorite find for the week was the Indian head penny that was turned into a rivet. 1888. There's the leather and there's the backside. So that's about it. And until next time, I will see you later.